The civil authorities have issued a local area emergency for Madison, NE, beginning at 7:02 p.m. and ending at 10:02 p.m. Madison CO, tornado warning, seek shelter immediately.
The civil authority has issued local area emergency for the following counties or areas. Madison, Nebraska, at 7:27 p.m. on July 10th, 2025, effective until 9:27 p.m. City of Madison, severe weather tornado has been seen in this storm. Seek shelter.
Strong thunderstorm producing strong winds, lightning, and heavy rain will be impacting the Polk County Fairgrounds within the next 10 to 20 minutes. Please be prepared to take shelter. Polk County Emergency Management. Prepare to seek shelter from wind, lightning, and rain.